Few foods can claim the universal appeal of ramen. This beloved dish transcends borders and cultures, bringing people together over steaming bowls of deliciousness. This seemingly simple dish, born in Japan, has captured the hearts and stomachs of people worldwide. From its humble beginnings, ramen has evolved into a global sensation, with each country adding its unique twist. Korean ramen, in particular, has carved its own niche, celebrated for its spicy, savory broths and chewy, satisfying noodles. The Korean twist on ramen brings a fiery kick that many find irresistible. But how does this culinary icon go from humble ingredients to millions of bowls enjoyed every day? The journey of Korean ramen from raw materials to a comforting meal is a fascinating one. Join me as we venture inside a Korean ramen factory to unravel the secrets behind its mass production. Here, tradition meets technology in a seamless dance. The aroma hits you first, a tantalizing blend of spices and savory scents. It's a sensory experience that begins long before the first bite. Inside, a symphony of machinery hums, a testament to the scale and efficiency of modern food production. Each piece of equipment plays a crucial role in transforming simple ingredients into a beloved dish. Yet amidst this industrial ballet, the essence of tradition remains, a testament to the generations of culinary wisdom woven into every packet. The meticulous care and attention to detail are evident in every step. Get ready to explore the fascinating world where age-old techniques meet cutting-edge technology to create a global food phenomenon. This is the story of Korean ramen, a dish that continues to captivate and delight people around the world. Our journey begins with the building blocks of this iconic dish: wheat flour, water, salt, and kansui. These four simple ingredients form the foundation upon which the magic of ramen is built. Each plays a crucial role, their proportions meticulously measured to achieve the perfect balance of texture and taste. Wheat flour, the backbone of the noodles, provides the structure and chewiness that ramen is known for. Water, the lifeblood of the dough, binds the ingredients and activates the gluten, giving the noodles their elasticity. Salt, the flavor enhancer, elevates the taste and controls the fermentation process. And finally, kansui, an alkaline solution, lends the noodles their signature yellow hue, springy texture, and unique flavor.
The heart of the factory beats within the mixing room, where industrial mixers, resembling stainless steel behemoths, stand ready to transform the raw ingredients into a smooth, elastic dough. Here, precision is paramount. The exact ratio of ingredients, the mixing time, even the temperature, all meticulously controlled to ensure consistency in every batch.
Once mixed, the dough embarks on a journey through a series of automated rollers, each pass thinning and lengthening the sheet, mimicking the traditional hand kneading process but on a grand scale. These sheets then move along a conveyor belt towards a series of razor-sharp blades that slice them with incredible speed and accuracy, transforming them into countless strands of perfectly uniform noodles. The journey continues as the freshly cut noodles glide on a conveyor belt into a steaming chamber. This crucial step halts the fermentation process, ensuring a consistent texture and preventing the noodles from becoming overly sour. The steam also imparts a slight sheen to the noodles, hinting at the deliciousness to come. Emerging from the steam, the noodles are now primed for their signature shape. Mechanical arms, guided by sensors, gently curl and gather the strands, forming the compact nests we recognize instantly. This process not only ensures that the noodles fit neatly into their packaging, but also contributes to their delightful texture, allowing the broth to cling to every strand. The next stage is where the path diverges, leading to two distinct types of ramen: fried and air-dried. Each method imparts unique characteristics, influencing both flavor and shelf life. For fried ramen, the noodles take a quick dip in a bath of hot oil. This flash frying process cooks the noodles, giving them their characteristic golden color and a slightly crispier texture. Air-dried ramen, on the other hand, bypasses the oil bath, instead embarking on a slower journey through a series of drying tunnels. Here, carefully controlled air circulation gently removes moisture, resulting in a chewier noodle with a more subtle flavor. Both methods, while different, serve the same purpose: to extend shelf life, allowing this beloved comfort food to be enjoyed worldwide.
While the noodles are undoubtedly the star of the show, they are only one part of the equation. The broth is the soul of ramen, a crucial element that defines the dish, infusing it with an explosion of flavor that tantalizes the taste buds and warms the soul. In a separate wing of the factory, away from the hustle and bustle of noodle production, a team of expert flavorists, akin to culinary alchemists, work their magic. These specialists are dedicated to perfecting the broth,
meticulously blending spices, seasonings, dehydrated vegetables, and flavor extracts. Each ingredient is carefully selected and measured to achieve the perfect balance of savory, spicy, and umami flavors. This precise process ensures that every bowl of ramen delivers a consistent and delightful taste experience. The combination of these flavors creates a symphony in the mouth, making each sip of broth a memorable experience.
Each brand boasts its own signature broth, a closely guarded secret honed over years of research and development. These unique recipes are what set each brand apart, and they are the result of countless hours spent in research and development labs. From the fiery kick of kimchi to the rich, savory depth of beef bone broth, the possibilities are endless. Each type of broth offers a unique taste experience, catering to a wide range of palates and preferences. The rich, savory depth of beef bone broth, for instance, provides a hearty and satisfying base for the noodles.
The powdered broth mixtures are then carefully portioned and sealed into individual sachets, ensuring that the flavors are preserved until the moment they are needed. These sachets are ready to be reunited with the noodles, transforming them into a complete meal that is both convenient and delicious. The combination of perfectly crafted noodles and meticulously blended broth creates a harmonious dish that is loved by many around the world.
The final stage of the journey brings together all the elements: noodles, broth packet, and sometimes additional flavorings like dried vegetables or seaweed into their iconic packaging. High-speed machines work tirelessly, filling, sealing, and labeling each package with remarkable precision.
The brightly colored wrappers, often adorned with mouth-watering images, are designed to stand out on supermarket shelves and entice hungry shoppers.
Before leaving the factory, each package undergoes rigorous quality control checks. Inspectors meticulously examine the noodles for consistency in shape, size, and color, ensuring they meet the highest standards.
The broth packets are also scrutinized for any irregularities in weight or seal, guaranteeing that each serving delivers the intended burst of flavor. Only after passing these stringent tests are the packages deemed ready for distribution.
From the factory floor, where the aroma of freshly made noodles fills the air, trucks loaded with neatly stacked boxes embark on a global journey, crossing borders and oceans, carrying the promise of a quick, delicious meal to every corner of the world. These trucks and containers are the lifelines that connect the humble ramen to millions of homes. Korean ramen has transcended its geographical origins, finding its way into international grocery stores and becoming a beloved staple worldwide. It has become a staple in college dorm rooms, where students rely on its convenience and taste to get through late-night study sessions, a quick lunch for busy professionals who need a satisfying meal without the wait, and a comforting dinner for families everywhere, bringing warmth and togetherness to the dinner table.
Its popularity lies not only in its affordability and convenience, but also in its adaptability. Ramen can be customized to suit any palate, from simple additions like a boiled egg or chopped scallions, which add a touch of home-cooked flavor, to more elaborate creations with meat, transforming a basic bowl into a hearty meal, seafood, adding a taste of the ocean, and vegetables, bringing in fresh, vibrant flavors. Ramen serves as a blank canvas for culinary creativity, allowing chefs and home cooks alike to experiment and innovate, reflecting local flavors and preferences. Each region adds its unique twist, making ramen a truly global dish.
It's a testament to the power of food to connect people across cultures, creating shared experiences and memories, a shared language of flavor that speaks to our universal love for a warm, satisfying bowl of noodles. Whether enjoyed alone or with loved ones, ramen continues to bring joy and comfort to people around the world.
As you savor your next bowl of Korean ramen, take a moment to appreciate the intricate journey it has taken from humble ingredients to your table. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a harmonious blend of tradition and technology. The ancient art of noodle making, passed down through generations, meets the precision and efficiency of modern manufacturing, resulting in a culinary masterpiece enjoyed by millions worldwide. So next time you tear open a packet of Korean ramen, remember that you hold more than just a quick and easy meal. You hold a piece of culinary history, a symbol of cultural exchange, and a testament to the enduring power of human innovation and our shared love for good food.